This video show you how to insert or replace battery into the tag, and this is very important. Okay, so I need to draw your attention on this lower battery holder and its plate that supply the battery power to the board, right? And this plate and the vibrator must have a gap, okay. So number 2, to insert the battery, do not just push the whole battery into the upper and the lower holder. Instead, you will just push the negative part, the negative part, the bottom part, just push in, and let the positive part just lie on top of the holder. Okay, and here you must take note that this cover has got a divider, has got a plastic divider, and you have to insert the plastic divider in between the gap of the lower battery plate and also the vibrator. Okay, so what you do is you insert into it, and you press here to make sure that it close. Then only you press here. Okay, so this is the way you install battery, right? So if you want to open it, always pull this cloth. Okay, take it out and pull to take the battery.